How to use Miele Microwave Oven. So this is a Miele combination oven that you can use the microwave and the oven in the same installation here. So first of all, how to turn it on. You want to click this button here. Of course, once your electricity and the switches are turned on, the top left there, go ahead and click on that. Then you should see the screen light up in the middle there. Then on the left hand side, a little scroll wheel here, what you want to do is go for the middle left one there. That's the microwave icon there. You can see the little symbol, so make sure it's on that. You can see it might start on 1000 watts. You can go ahead and turn that on the right hand side toggle thing here. Then once you've got what you wanted, go ahead and click on OK. Then I'll ask you for the amount of minutes and seconds you want. Again, go ahead and scroll it around until you get to the minute or second that you want. Then go ahead and click OK. That will lock it in, and then you want to click OK again to start. Then you'll see there it goes ahead and uses the microwave. And then once it's done, you'll hear a ding at the end of the time. Then there you want to go ahead again to click this button here to go ahead and turn it off. Then you can go ahead, open it, and then pull out the food that you have within there. Now, of course, as well, to actually turn it on, you'll need to make sure your switches are turned on, so make sure you do that. You might have something that looks a bit like this in your apartment or home. You can go ahead and click off and on for the oven there. So make sure if you want it turned fully off, you have to click off from here. Otherwise, you can go ahead and click the off and on button at the top left-hand corner of the combination oven right here. As you can see there, now I've turned it off, pressed it on again, that it's all completed. So leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.